What is the difference between carbon neutral and eco-friendly cleaning services? In recent years, several industries have been working hard to produce eco-friendly products to make the lives of people free from harmful effects. AEG Cleaning Services is also working a step forward to offer cleaning services to its customers. There are several companies producing cleaning products, but most of the products consist of toxic material. Consequently, the harmful chemicals produce more carbon footprints and harm the environment. Here we will show you what the difference between carbon neutral and eco-friendly cleaning services. Let's get started by discussing carbon neutral. What is carbon neutral? Carbon neutral does not mean that these products will be free of carbon. The carbon neutrality of a company, process, or product occurs when the emissions of the company are calculated and compensated for by carbon offsets. As part of holistic climate action, offsetting carbon emissions is as important as avoiding and reducing them. The concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is approximately the same everywhere because greenhouse gases disperse uniformly in the atmosphere. It does not matter where on the planet emissions are produced or avoided in terms of global concentrations of greenhouse gases. Carbon offset projects in another location can therefore offset emissions that cannot be avoided locally. By conserving forests, afforestation, or expanding renewable energy sources, this can be accomplished. Eco-friendly cleaning services. The words eco-friendly cleaning conjures up different images for you. Which one do you associate with? Many people assume that eco-friendly cleaning products aren't quite as effective as their conventional counterparts because of some kind of compromise. Definitely not true. The use of eco-friendly products with natural harmless ingredients is just as effective as strong chemicals in getting a thorough clean. Aside from being non-corrosive, green cleaners will not harm your brand new bathroom suite or pollute the environment. Advantages of carbon neutral and eco-friendly. Carbon neutral. In addition to reducing environmental pollution, carbon neutrality improves health, the creation of green jobs, and the promotion of sustainable economic growth. By reducing climate change's impact, food security will be enhanced. Eco-friendly. It helps save the planet by increasing energy and water efficiency, reducing maintenance costs, maintaining better air quality, creating a healthier lifestyle, and increasing property values. Difference between carbon neutral and eco-friendly. Eco-friendly products undoubtedly make environments safe, but they are not free of chemicals at all. Whereas carbon neutral products are free from any harmful chemicals. That's why we prefer carbon neutral over eco-friendly products. Why choose AEG Cleaning Services? Many of our customers are concerned about the environment and would like to contribute to reducing the damage that humans have done to the environment over time. The primary reason our customers choose our cleaning service is that they wish to ensure that their home is thoroughly and properly cleaned. Environmental protection is one of our core values at AEG Cleaning Services. We at every location use carbon-neutral cleaning product. You can choose carbon-neutral cleaning materials from our wide range. Your home will receive the most thorough cleaning it has ever received regardless of what cleaning service you choose from us. That is our guarantee to you. You can contact us by visiting our website www.aegcleaning.co.uk or call us at 020799831113.